Today we're diving into food storage. It's a topic that's near and dear to my heart because a well-organized pantry can make a world of difference in your daily life. If you've inventoried your pantry staples, menu planned, and even tackled a canning plan but still find yourself short on space, this video is for you. Sometimes, no matter how much we plan, it feels like there's never enough room. But don't worry, I've got some tips and tricks up my sleeve. We're going to explore some often overlooked nooks and crannies around the house perfect for storing extra supplies. From hidden compartments to clever shelving solutions, there's a lot we can do. Let's roll up our sleeves and discover some hidden storage potential in your home. It's amazing how much space you can find when you start thinking outside the box. You'll be surprised how much we can tuck away with a little creativity. So, grab a notepad and let's get started on transforming your storage spaces. The garage seems like the perfect spot for extra stuff, right? It's a large, often underutilized space that can seem like a great solution for storing all those items that don't quite fit inside the house. It's spacious, out of the way, and can hold a lot of things. From holiday decorations to old furniture, the garage can be a real lifesaver when it comes to storage. But hold on, I'm going to have to give the garage a nay for food storage. While it might seem convenient, there are several reasons why it's not the best idea. Temperature swings and potential critters make it risky for pantry staples. The garage environment is not as controlled as the inside of your home. Summer heat waves can damage canned goods, causing them to spoil faster than they would inside the house. The intense heat can lead to sweating cans and compromised seals, and freezing winter nights can cause jars to crack. The cold can be just as damaging as the heat, leading to broken glass and ruined preserves. If your garage is climate-controlled and pest-free, that's different. In such cases, you might be able to safely store some food items there. But for most of us, it's best to keep food stores inside the main house. The consistent temperature and lower risk of pests make it a safer option. We put so much love into preserving our food, so let's keep it protected and ready to nourish our families. After all, the effort we put into canning and preserving deserves the best storage conditions possible. The shed offers extra storage space, but we need to approach it with caution. Fluctuating temperatures and pests make it less than ideal for pantry goods. If you have a climate-controlled shed, that's a game changer. But even then, keep a close eye on things. Make sure your shed is well sealed to keep out critters and check on your stored goods regularly. Let's talk about a storage spot that often gets overlooked: under the bed. This space is often underutilized, but it holds so much potential for keeping your home tidy and organized. It's like having a secret storage room right in your bedroom. Imagine all the things you can store here without cluttering your living space. We're all about keeping things organized and accessible. By using the space under your bed, you can free up other areas in your home for more important items. Clear, flat Rubbermaid totes are your best friend here. They fit perfectly under most beds and keep your items dust-free and easy to find. They're sturdy, stackable, and you can see exactly what's inside. No more digging through boxes to find what you need. Paper products, medical supplies, and cleaning products are great options to store under the bed. This way, you always have them on hand without taking up valuable closet space. Think extra toilet paper, first aid kits, and all-purpose cleaner. These are essentials that you want to keep accessible but out of sight. Keep those extra supplies tucked away, ready to tackle any spills or messes. Utilizing this hidden space can make your home more efficient and clutter-free. Have you ever thought of your bedposts as prime real estate for food storage? It sounds unconventional, but hear me out. Sturdy, 5-gallon food-grade buckets with airtight lids can be discreetly tucked away as bedposts. These buckets are perfect for long-term storage of bulk grains like rice, beans, oats, or flour. They keep your food safe from moisture, pests, and temperature fluctuations. No one will ever suspect that your stylish bedposts are secretly housing a treasure trove of pantry essentials. Let's step into the closet. Often, there's unused space just waiting to be discovered. That often forgotten high shelf is perfect for bulky items you don't need every day. Store jumbo packs of toilet paper, extra boxes of tissues, or paper plates and cups in clear plastic bins. Label them clearly so you don't have to dig around every time you need something. A well-organized closet shelf is a testament to your storage savvy. A storage spot that's often hiding in plain sight behind the couch. That little gap between the back of your couch and the wall has potential. Use sturdy decorative baskets or galvanized metal bins to hold extra blankets, pillows, or even pantry goods. Choose a couch with a high enough back to conceal your storage treasures. No one will ever suspect that your stylishly decorated living room is also home to a hidden pantry. One of my favorite organizing tools, the over-the-door shoe organizer. These versatile organizers can be used for so much more than just shoes. In the bathroom, they hold toiletries and cleaning supplies. In the craft room, they corral art supplies. Why not use them for food storage too? Hang one on the back of your pantry door for snacks, spices, or small bags of beans. Get creative and think outside the shoebox. Giving an old piece of furniture a new purpose. Picture a vintage dresser, painted in a cheerful hue, standing proudly in your kitchen or dining room. Those drawers can become a well-organized pantry, stocked with your favorite staples. The top drawers are perfect for everyday essentials, while the deeper bottom drawers can hold bulkier items. A little creativity and a fresh coat of paint can transform a forgotten piece of furniture into a stylish and functional storage solution. Discovering hidden storage potential inside your furniture is like uncovering a hidden treasure. End tables, ottomans, and benches often have hollow spaces just begging to be utilized. With a little ingenuity, you can unlock a world of storage possibilities. Lift the lid of your ottoman to reveal a stash of cozy blankets, or pull out the bottom drawer of your end table to find a hidden compartment. Think outside the box, or in this case, inside the furniture. Let's talk about that often awkward space under the stairs. With a little creativity, we can transform it into a functional and stylish storage solution. Custom-built shelves can house everything from books to seasonal decorations, or create a cozy reading nook with a comfy armchair and a built-in bookshelf. The possibilities are endless. Don't let that valuable understair space go to waste. Let's talk about maximizing vertical space. We're going up to those often overlooked areas near the ceiling. Installing shelves near the ceiling is a game changer for storage. Picture sleek, floating shelves displaying books, plants, and decorative objects, or sturdy industrial-style shelves in your kitchen for less frequently used appliances and pantry goods. Choose shelves that complement your decor and create a cohesive look. Are you ready to discover some hidden storage gems? We're talking about spaces above doors. Installing shelves above doors is a brilliant way to capitalize on unused vertical space. In your bathroom, a shelf above the door can hold extra towels and toiletries. In your kitchen, a shelf above the pantry door can hold less frequently used appliances and cookbooks. A storage solution that's both practical and unexpected. Storage inside your furniture. Many furniture manufacturers now incorporate hidden storage compartments into their designs. Lift the cushions of your sectional sofa to reveal a spacious storage compartment, or pull out the bottom drawer of your armchair to find a hidden compartment. Look for furniture pieces that specifically offer built-in storage options. Let's talk about those trusty suitcases that often spend more time tucked away than traveling. Suitcases can serve as clever storage solutions right in our own homes. In your bedroom, vintage suitcases can house extra blankets or off-season clothing. In your living room, a stylish suitcase can serve as a coffee table while storing board games. Choose suitcases that complement your decor and label them clearly. A storage spot that often gets overlooked. The space above the refrigerator. Use sturdy baskets or bins labeled and organized to hold less frequently used items. Install a small shelf above your refrigerator to maximize vertical space. Make sure the shelf is securely attached to the wall and can handle the weight. Always use a sturdy step stool when reaching for items stored above the refrigerator. I hope this tour of creative storage ideas inspired you. Storage solutions don't have to be complicated or expensive. Share your clever storage hacks in the comments below. Until next time, happy organizing.